everyone, today I'm going to be showing to you how to do a customized cursor and hover cursor on your SpaceHey profile. If you don't know what that is, well, the cursor is this little arrow that I'm moving over the screen, and the hover cursor is like when you go over a link and it changes into this little pointer thingy. So like before actually showing you the code, I'm going to share with you some pages that a page that I like the most, and where I have gotten my cursors from. The page is this one. It's called Cursors Dash for You. Let me show you the link, and I'll be leaving this on the comments, like in the same comment that I placed the command on. And you can go right here on categories, and there's this thingy, there's this category that is cursor sets. Okay. And well, as you can see, there are some animateds. I couldn't use them because of my web browser, I think, but you can always try. I'm pretty sure that it's the same coding. Let me get a sip of my chocolate. But yeah, let me show you that it just doesn't work. As you can see, my cursor is still blue, and well, when you click on a cursor set, it changes. You know what I mean? So, you can, as I told you, you can always try it yourself. I already have the one that I'm going to be using. Is this one? It's called Zombie Hand. If you want, the name is this. And I'm using this one. And I'm also, as you can see, it changes. And I'm also using this one that is like an open hand. These are the ones that I'm using today. So, let me show you the coding already. As always, let's start with a little style. Oh, this is always on the About Me section. So you always start with a little style section, and we're changing the hover first. So it will be like this: a hover, like that, open a bracket, and right after you will want to write cursor, like that, this little symbol, space URL, and you know the drill, parenthesis, this thing, and you go to the cursor that you want for pointer. This is the one that I'm going to be using. As you can see, well, it fits very well the theme. So, to get the link, please pay attention. You have to go to Universal, and you want to come here, and on this part, you want just to copy the link from HTTPS to .cur, and you will want to paste it. Now, as always, close this thingy, close the parenthesis, and then a little comma. I think that's how it's called. And then you'll want to write auto, important, so it works properly. Close with a little semicolon, close the bracket, and that's how you do the hover cursor. Now let's set the official cursor for your whole page. It'll be like this. This little thingy that I don't know the name yet, but it looks like a star. And then open a bracket, space, you'll want to write cursor again, cursor like that, and basically the same. URL, open parenthesis, open this little thingy, and go for the cursor that you want, right? I'm going to be doing it again. You want to copy just this part, just like that, copy, and then paste it over there. Okay. Close this thing, close the parenthesis. Then, as you know, a little comma and auto, like that, important. Close a little semicolon, close the bracket, and that is about it. And before saving it, as you know, we have to close the little style section with a little slash. So let's save it all. And let's go over here and let me reload the page so you can see actually the results. And as you can see, now my cursor is a little hand, and when it goes over a link, it changes into a little pointing hand. And well, that's it for now, I guess. Please, if you want to know another tutorial or if you have any requests, please let me know on the comments. I'm always glad to help. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.